Happy Friday! TGIF. Guess what today is?
Hello.
Happy birthday
To you.
Thank you.
It's my mom's birthday.
Yeah.
Woo! October, baby. So today we are, actually I should say tonight, we're gonna go on a nice boat cruise, doing something different. My mom has always had a thing for boats.
Dinner.
Actually, yeah, it's a dinner. But last year we did a nice little sail. I actually have some footage from that. Maybe I'll insert some footage now. So today is a very special day. It is this lady, her birthday. But we are about to go on a sheer water sail on the Hudson River in New York City. Yeah, it's a little
Rocky.
and raising the sail. Chelsea's giving me what was that movie? Titanic. Oh, that too. This is her. Let me not get my hair jacked.
Just arrived on the island of New York.
From where?
Absolutely fabulous. I'm not a slave. I have extra money.
I can't.
Consensual gardening here.
Oh my god. Are you freaking out?
I love it. This is exactly how I knew it would be.
So there she is, the birthday girl.
Hello.
Are you excited for the cruise?
Extremely excited. I've been waiting for this all week.
So we're here and the place is really, really nice. It's a nice vibe. It's very chilled out. And he's mad at me right now. Yeah, Chelsea got on my nerves, so we're not really speaking right now. Anyway, I'll show you. Chelsea, this is not the place. Mom is always ready for the camera. Dad is busy trying to post a picture.
I know he is. That is so shady. I said, if I send you this, you cannot.
You're really loud. I just realized. Oh my goodness, we're those people that have to have technology out at a dinner. Like all of us have our phones out. Look at this one. She's like taking selfies as I talk. Like,
And you have a camera.
and I'm vlogging. No, and I'm saying that's what I'm saying. We're that family that's so not in tune with. Don't look at my nails; they're ratchet. I didn't do it today. Anyway, we're gonna enjoy this dinner. First course, crab chowder.
I'd like to take this time to point out a few of the sites that we're going to be seeing this evening.
It's awkward.
It's like,
I want to look at myself. Why am I looking up? Hey guys, so celebrating my mommy's birthday, and I'm really excited to be here.
So how do you feel on your birthday?
I feel absolutely phenomenal. And I am smarter this year than I was last year. I'm having a great night. This is wonderful. Wonderful birthday celebration.
Look at Bob. Killing it. Yeah. Whoa, I just got that lightning. Whoa. It's probably gonna be so windy that you can't hear what I'm saying, but I just had to show you. Look at at her trying to be all Titanic.
Okay, can you do the photo?
They're playing My Sharia Moore by Stevie Wonder, one of my favorite songs.
Is it clear, Nick? Look at that quality, bro. Strawberries. They put whipped cream.
Guys, this is bomb.
Nikki's feeling it. I got cheesecake.
I have, right? I've been saying that I want strawberry shortcake for the longest. And this is basically it. Do you like yours?
You asking me? Yeah, delicious.
Chelsea, thoughts? I don't think she's a fan. I like it.